In this video, we are going to see and resolve the issue that if your stand is not showing the text on the top in your booth in please donate option, here's how you can easily fix that. As you can see, my text is not shown here. So if you even hold the E button and you write the text, nothing shows up. So here's how you can quickly resolve this. So first of all, guys, we need to head over to roblox.com, just sign in with your credentials, and we head over to the right hand corner and click on the settings. Click on the settings again. And from here, we will head over to the privacy and contents restrictions. And from here, we will choose the communication and we head over to the experience chat. Now, if your experience chat is turned off, it will not show up the text even if you write some text on your stand. So we need to enable that. So once it saves, you go back to the main section and then you just exit from the player as well. You just exit from it and just relaunch the application, relaunch the game. And then we head over to any of the stand. So for example, we want to claim this stand. We cannot see the text here, but when we edit and write help quick donation required, we close out of here, and as you can see, now my text is appearing on the board of the please donate stand. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.